Good morning. Can you see this mess that's going on? Oh my goodness. This is what happens to me when I go to bed with wet hair. My trusty little hat. I just tuck it all in there. There we go. And you would be none the wiser. Let's turn this off. It's too early for lights. Let's keep it down. Roxy's sleeping. Shh. Everybody's sleeping. It's still early, but it's gorgeous. Gorgeous sunrise. It's gonna be a nice day. We're gonna get some rain, but it'll be all right. Anyways, I'm heating up my coffee. Hey, little hippie. Hey, little dreadlocks. Do you want to go outside? You just keeping an eye on Mama? Huh? Hey, Goldilocks. Oh my goodness. That's funny. You don't think it's funny, huh? You want to go back to sleep. Go back to sleep, baby girl. Go back to sleep. Good girl. I'm just going to be right outside. They're saying it's going to be 78 degrees today. Oh my goodness. So I've got plenty of water to drink. I've already drank half of that along with my coffee. That's kind of water. Roxy does not want to come out here. She is enjoying her quiet time. She would rather I be in there. She'll bark at me, come in. But I don't want to be inside. I want to be outside. It's gorgeous out here. You know, I need to show how I use my solar clip-on lights. I know somebody asked me about that. Right now I have these solar lights charging, facing the sun, so I just clip them on there. And then what I do is once they're charged, I turn one around, and this is how you adjust it. You just push the button. You can't see right now because it's daylight, but I'll show you at nighttime how to set them. And then you just clip them. Two of these are, see, it's got the rechargeable little plug there. So you can charge them USB. So we'll do another video when it's nighttime. First button, it goes on and then it gets brighter. And it's the brightest setting, it stays. Second time you press the button, it's based on sensor. So it's just me moving. We'll activate it. Something moving outside. Third, it stays on, but it's dim. Fourth, off. So that's how it works. Roxy's never laid on the dirt. And yesterday when Ron came over, she went over and sat next to him and laid on the dirt. And I thought, oh my goodness, that's a first. Anyways, she's laying on the dirt now, like for a second. She's looking for her buddies. But honestly, like, she's not a dirt dog. She normally will look for something soft or smooth. You know, the rug, the tarp, her bed. She's never been one to sit or lay on grass or dirt, so it's kind of funny. It's nice when you can just let them loose and they don't have to wear a leash. I mean, you're supposed to if you're walking around. But just around our campsite, you know, I don't have to worry about like any thorns or anything she can get into. Look at the views from this vantage point. Isn't that gorgeous? But here's the problem. What if one of these rocks got loose? It started making its way down onto your rig. Like, could you sleep at night knowing that that could happen? But this would be an amazing spot. I'm doing better. My body is acclimating to the elevation finally. After a month and a half, I think it's been. A little bit over a month. Just this spot is not level enough for me. But can you imagine waking up? I mean, I feel like I'm in the Swiss Alps. It's gorgeous. There's my rig. Roxy's sleeping. She's in a food coma. Look at this, 77 degrees, and it's raining here. Like it's just come out of nowhere. But we're under a tree, so we're safe. Ron's not gonna melt. I'm not gonna melt. Even though we're made out of sugar, we're not gonna melt. Roxy's safe in her bed. It's just passing through. It was just enough to send everybody home. Afraid of melting. You hear it? The ranger's passing through. That's the first time I've seen him going through here. That's kind of nice. Thank you, Ranger, for keeping an eye on things. The storm has passed, but it's coming back. I can see another one brewing. You want to come out? If she backs up, she doesn't want to come out. You want to come out? Huh? Slippery? Is it slippery? I've got to be over here because Maddie's letting me use this Starlink and I've got to get as close as possible.